Birds are fascinating creatures known for their ability to fly, though not all birds have this capability. They possess feathers, beaks, and lay hard-shelled eggs. There are around 10,000 bird species worldwide, varying significantly in size, color, and behavior. The ostrich, the largest bird, can't fly but can run at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. The smallest bird, the bee hummingbird, weighs less than a dime. Birds have a high metabolic rate, which supports their energy-intensive flight. Many birds migrate seasonally, traveling thousands of miles.